Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're diving into Proton Drive, a secure cloud storage service from the makers of Proton Mall. If you're looking for a way to safely store and share your files, you're in the right place. So let's get started. First, head over to proton.me/drive and sign in with your Proton account. If you don't have one, click on the Get a Free Account button that you'll find in the section. Proton offers several plans, including a free tier with 5 gig of storage. In this section, you'll need to provide your email address and create a password for your Proton Drive account. Make sure that you're using an active email address, since Proton Drive will send you a verification code into that. In this section, you'll need to create a password for your Proton account, confirm your password, and after that, hit on that Start Using Proton Drive Now. And here you can simply click on the No Thanks button to get this limited time offer for €1, depending on your preference. Now we'll proceed with email address verification. So go ahead and open your Google Mail and copy the verification code sent by Proton Drive. Head back to Proton Drive and in here enter the verification code that you receive and hit on the verify button. Now you just need to wait for your account to be set up on the platform. As you can see, there is a disclaimer in here that you can only recover your account on the platform if you download the PDF for your recovery kit. Make sure to download that and check the checkbox to proceed. Go ahead and hit on that continue button to continue, and after that you'll need to set your display name and continue with the next step. So you just need to wait for your account to load on Proton Drive, and after this page load, you'll get redirected into your account. And that's it. With Proton Drive, you get secure, private, and easy to use cloud storage. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next video.